2016 Ford F-150 Lariat. Yeah, 6-cylinder EcoBoost FX4. That's a mouthful. As you guys can see, really beautiful truck, as usual. What we got done on it, factory converter there and there. Then it was into a single there. Then we did a resonator delete yesterday, and it wasn't loud enough, so he came back. It has the regular flex pipe on it. Then we put a BORLA Pro XS, as you guys can see, single in, dual out. Part number 40349. Made in good old Tennessee, Johnson City, baby. That's why BORLA's so nice. Made in our home state. Anyways, it's got factory, and then it's got dual outlet. And we put mandrel bent tailpipes on each side, 2 1/4, one right there, one right there. And then we put 5-inch black tips. And like always, guys, there'll be a link in the description for everything. Hopefully we'll find you some black 5-inch tip close to these, because we get these custom made for us through our distributor. And we'll have a link in the description for the BORLA Pro XS right there. And if you like the sound, make sure you share, because sharing is caring. Yes. And make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment on everything. There's the muffler, there's the tailpipe, there's the old tip. And now look at that. It's just beautiful. Perfect. Go ahead. It's deep. What a difference between the Outlaw and this one, right? Same engine. Is this soft? Again? Wow, big difference. There's sound decibels. Again? All right, go ahead. What did it hit? 98, I think? I think 98, 99. It was glaring, I didn't see it. Not loud and idle either. It's not that loud and idle either. It's perfect when you can be on your phone or whatever. Yeah. You want to hear it when you give it gas, you know? FX4. That's perfect. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford F-150 EcoBoost with BORLA Pro XS duals. Oh, that's perfect. Wow, that's nice. I like it. I might actually go with that.